natural organic chicken. And then the bread is in the oven. That's what I'm waiting for.
Right, that's my daughter.
The bread.
She's handling her business, isn't she? That's right.
And the spaghetti here.
Okay.
Just letting my sauce marinate.
All right. We're proud of you.
Salad.
Okay.
Oh, Mom, go show the cake.
I am. I'm just waiting for you to show the salad. I know y'all want some. I know you want some. Can't get none. Let's travel over here and see the cake, y'all. Oh, look at there. Her family for her family. Well, what I say is what the Bible say, train a child up in the way he or she should go. When they get older, they won't depart from it. You've seen it firsthand. Come and join us. Nah.